So, it's Buzzy B over here with your girl, Blondie V.
You know me.
And today we're going to talk about the BET Awards.
Yeah.
Nicki Minaj's acceptance speech.
Yeah, that was
That was.
yeah, that was wild.
Okay, like she dropped some stuff saying, let's say,
She said and I quote, when you hear Nicki, you know Nicki wrote it, unquote.
now everyone on the social media is saying that was towards Iggy. And I don't think so.
Listen, I think it is towards Iggy because Iggy's fresh, Iggy's out there, and everyone's like on that Iggy tip, and we love Iggy Azalea, like we love her. But when someone throws something like if you know I wrote it, if you hear me then you know I wrote it, it means obviously it's directed to someone else.
No, like come on. She never said Iggy, this is to you. And if Iggy wrote claims, okay, I don't know if Iggy wrote what she raps and stuff, so I can't really say. Okay, fine, I really don't know if it's her or not.
But you can speculate because in the past, there have been other other female rappers, and she's never said that. Yet now Iggy gets onto the nomination list, and bam, guess who's being shade thrown at? Yeah.
But she's awesome. Nicki's awesome though.
And so is Iggy. Iggy's awesome
But
herself.
Iggy was like over here, and then I heard that she doesn't do her own raps, and I'm like, okay, but
Iggy.
hey, if it's just speculations, we're not sure.
We're not sure. But
Let's wait until the name drops, and then we can say, oh shit.
I think what we need to do is assess what Iggy's reaction is going to be like. Because if Iggy reacts, then it was a direct to Iggy. If Iggy doesn't react, then you're like, bitch, she was just acting up,
Alright, okay, that's it. This is our first talk show.
Yeah.
Well, it's not going to be a show. It's just commentary when we film.
Yeah.
But anyways, done.
What?
But anyways, we out. Stop. How they
Capture.
capture?
Stop capture.